All right, here we are at Whiskey 7 Oscar, Charlie 19, Little Grass Mountain. Never been activated before. No trail to the summit. We're gonna find a easy path using what we can to get to the summit. So right now we got this nice little game trail going here. So it's about a half mile to the summit, roughly. There's a large ant mound. Usually see quite a few of those up here. So we're climbing pretty fast. So far, walking this is pretty easy. So we lost our nice trail. Still faint, but it's a bit overgrown now. Still, it's been a lot easier than I was expecting to this point, and the summit's just right up there, so not that far to the summit. So far this has been very pleasant. So we're getting closer to the summit. It's right up there. I guess this is probably why it's called Little Grass Mountain, although there's not a whole lot of grass in there. It's definitely a little meadow. So we're still following this little trail that seems to have gotten not as much use, but it's still here. So we're gonna keep going, following this up. There's another anthill. Thousands of them. So the ticks are real bad this year. Has been seemed like the last few years around here. I sprayed down heavily with repellent. That didn't stop one getting on my leg earlier on another summit, but it was just on my pants. So definitely want to make sure you're covering yourself with that stuff. We made it. Well, we're in the activation zone. The actual summit's just right over there, so we'll go find a spot set up. But there is grass on Little Grass Mountain, and a lot of these purple flowers all over the place. So we'll go see what we can find for a setup. Get out of the sun a little bit. Here it is, summit of Little Grass Mountain. It's quite pretty up here. Much easier than I thought it was going to be looking at maps. You know, that's the thing about finding these never activated summits way back in the mountains. You never know what you're going to run into. Map only shows you so much. And I've had some doozies, but this one here I'm really happy with. So let's get set up and get on the air. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Kilo, Foxtrot 7, Sierra Echo Yankee 4, Summits on the air. CQ, CQ, CQ. Kilo, Foxtrot 7, Sierra Echo Yankee, calling CQ, Summits on the air.
Foxtrot 4, Whiskey, Bravo, November.
Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo November, 55, 55, 55.
Roger, roger. Foxtrot 4, Whiskey, Bravo, November. Thanks for 55. You're also 5 by 5, 55, roger.
QSL the 55, thanks for the contact, 73, good DX.
Thanks for the QSO, 73.
Got France. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Kilo, Foxtrot 7, Sierra Echo Yankee, Summits on the air. All right, so we had a successful activation. Got a few in the log. Ended up working France, so that was fun. So we're gonna work our way down the hill. 73 until next time. So here's our huge ant hill. This thing's massive. Just off the trail here that I was walking up. You can see it is huge. You can see the whole ground is moving with ants. Pretty cool.